As part of your work experience folder, you need to do some kind of skills assessment or self-assessment. And I recommend going to vark-learn.com and taking a questionnaire here. Either do the younger person or the VARK questionnaire at the top. And you can literally just tick any of the boxes that you feel are appropriate to you and answer what is relevant for you, not what you think is right. Try to answer what is the most thing that would describe you, and then you can tick more than one box. As you can see here, I ticked 2 boxes for my one. At the end, then you just press OK. So I've copied and pasted my score in from here. I've copied and pasted my kinesthetic strategies in. There's a lot more information. This is free, and this is free. It's really useful to kind of explore a little bit more about how you like to learn. If you want more information, then you can pay for it over here, but it's not necessary for the work experience folder content. So this is the document that is best to use for your work experience folder. Just paste in your score, the result of your score, and then if you're a kinesthetic person, and that's what it said on the result, then I literally just clicked on the kinesthetic strategies because it said I am a strong kinesthetic person. So I just pasted those strategies in from that link in here. And that is the document that I'm going to include in my folder to show I did some kind of a skills assessment.